Hey everyone, welcome back to Alt Buzz, where we dive into the latest and greatest in photography gear. And today, oh boy, we've got something super exciting. The much anticipated Hasselblad X2D 100C Earth Explorer limited edition kit has been leaked, and I'm here to break it all down for you. A striking new design, a killer lens, and limited to just 1,000 units. This is one of the most exclusive camera kits of the year. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Quick reminder, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and photography tips. And for all my returning subscribers, welcome back. In case you missed it, I've already reviewed the Hasselblad X2D 100C in full detail, and I've also compared it with the Leica M11 and the flagship Nikon Z9. Be sure to check out those videos. Links are in the description below. Let's talk about what really sets this limited edition apart: the design. The Hasselblad X2D 100C Earth Explorer comes in a stunning Tundra Brown finish. And trust me, this isn't just a paint job, it's a design philosophy. The Tundra Brown color is inspired by the natural landscapes and earthy tones that photographers love to capture. It's like the camera itself has become a tool of exploration, blending into the rugged terrain it's built to photograph. On top of the sleek finish, the camera still retains its familiar build, boasting the robust and premium construction we've come to expect from Hasselblad. The tactile controls, ergonomic design, and minimalistic aesthetic make it a joy to use. It's perfect for professionals who need a camera that feels as good as it looks, and with this addition, you'll definitely be turning heads. The kit is paired with an incredible 55mm XCDF 2.5V lens, which for those of you familiar with full-frame systems, translates to around a 40mm equivalent focal length. This lens is designed to maximize the potential of the X2D's 100-megapixel medium format sensor, and it delivers sharpness, detail, and that creamy bokeh photographers crave. This lens is not just a throw-in accessory, it's a high-performance piece of glass that complements the camera perfectly. You'll also get a UV filter included in the kit, helping to protect that gorgeous lens while shooting in harsh conditions. Now here's where things get even more exciting. The Hasselblad X2D Earth Explorer Limited Edition kit isn't just about the camera and lens, it's a complete package. The kit includes a limited edition shoulder strap, which not only matches the Tundra Brown color scheme, but also feels incredibly premium. Hasselblad has clearly thought through every little detail here, making sure that everything from the camera to the accessories feels cohesive and luxurious. In addition, you'll also receive two X-System batteries and a dual-hub charger, ensuring that you're never caught without power when you're out exploring those breathtaking landscapes. It's a photographer's dream. Everything you need to get out there and start shooting, right out of the box. All right, we've covered the aesthetics in the kit, but let's not forget what truly makes the X2D 100C a powerhouse: the performance. This medium format beast packs a 100-megapixel sensor, offering jaw-dropping image quality that blows away traditional full-frame systems. The dynamic range is exceptional, capturing even the subtlest nuances in shadow and highlight details. The autofocus system, while not as fast as some of the more video-centric cameras, is more than capable for landscape, portrait, and studio work. And combined with the 55mm XCDF 2.5V lens, this kit becomes an absolute workhorse for professionals looking for the highest image quality possible. One of the most exciting aspects of this kit is its exclusivity. With only 1,000 units being produced worldwide, this is truly a collector's item. Whether you're a Hasselblad enthusiast, a professional photographer, or just someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, this limited edition kit is sure to be a hot commodity. You'll want to act fast if you're thinking about getting your hands on one, because once they're gone, they're gone. But why Earth Explorer? What makes this edition so unique beyond the design? Well, Hasselblad has clearly drawn inspiration from the very landscapes this camera was designed to capture. Whether you're shooting the tundras of the Arctic, the deserts of Africa, or the jungles of South America, the X2D 100C Earth Explorer Limited Edition is built to excel in those environments. It's a nod to adventurers and photographers who push the limits of their craft in some of the world's most rugged and beautiful locations. This kit feels like a tool for professionals who see the world as their canvas, a tool that's as much about inspiration as it is about performance. So there you have it, the Hasselblad X2D 100C Earth Explorer, limited edition in all its glory. From its stunning Tundra Brown finish to the high-performance 55mm XCD f2.5V lens, and the exclusive accessories like the limited edition shoulder strap and dual hub charger, this is more than just a camera. It's an experience. And if you're as excited about this release as I am, I highly recommend checking out my previous videos where I went into deep reviews on the X2D 100C, comparing it to the Leica M11 and the Nikon Z9. You'll find those links in the description below. If you enjoyed today's breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Alt Buzz. We've got plenty more content on the way, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. From more gear reviews, comparisons, and even some hands-on tutorials, we've got everything a photography enthusiast could need. Drop a comment below and let me know. What do you think about the Hasselblad X2D Earth Explorer? Are you considering grabbing one of these limited edition kits? Or do you have your eye on something else? Let's get the conversation going. Until next time, thanks for watching and keep exploring the world through your lens.